This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west toward the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm in apartment 2008, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on an angled southeast corner that expands the views. Looking out over Grant Park toward the museum campus and Lake Michigan, turning for a view out to the southwest. In a spacious living dining area, it's just flooded with sunlight. It's an open plan living dining kitchen area, breakfast bar island that easily seats 4. There's a 5-burner gas cooktop. It's a white quartz counter, range hood, double bowl stainless steel sink, undermounted under the white quartz counter. There's a tile backsplash, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, lacquer look upper cabinets, brush lowers, all soft close. Looking at under cabinet microwave, built-in dishwasher, it's an ice maker in the fridge, recessed lighting in the kitchen, roller shades on all those great floor-to-ceiling windows, blank flooring that extends throughout the apartment. Getting into bedroom 2, you'll find built-in closet organizers in all the closets. Floor-to-ceiling window again flooded with sunlight looking out to the west over the nearby Target store. Washer-dryer combination in unit behind the louvered door. Heading toward the front entry. Looking at the second bath. It's a wide vanity with drawers for storage and a triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above. Large gray tile on the floor and extending up to the ceiling in the tub shower surround. Front door entry, space for a hall console table, coat closet with organizers, and a reminder that all of the switches are smart and can be controlled by Amazon Alexa. Heading toward the primary/master bedroom. It's a generously sized room. Can accommodate any size bedding, nightstands, additional furniture, floor-to-ceiling windows angling out to the south and to the east. It's a walk-in closet with custom organizers again. And turning into the primary bath. A double bowl vanity, drawers for storage, a deep shower, triple mirrored medicine cabinet. 1001 South State is an attractive location, variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes, a fun, innovative, extensive suite of amenities. Put 1001 South State on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.